Solana and Cardano going right now sideways, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are looking like that they are winding up for a move to the upside. And I want to show you today exactly how this move might actually look like. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and if you enjoy this content, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And you know it, guys, let's get here straight into the charts. So I'm here on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin, and we can see here that we had formed over the last, let's say, 48 hours here this descending channel here, and now we have actually broken this channel to the upside, and it looks like that we are forming here a spinning top or a tweezer bottom. It depends on how this 4-hourly candle that we have here right now will be closing. But because we broke here out of the channel, the likelihood that this 4-hourly candle is pushing here higher is much more probable than actually rolling here over and coming back down. So, but I want to entertain both scenarios here. So in the case that we are breaking up, we should get at least to the top of the channel. So, and that would be the $50,750 level approximately. But if we would actually break down, then the 0.786 Fibonacci extension level should be our target, and that would be 49,146. So if this trade here, now Bitcoin would actually break back into the channel, then you could take a trade here where we are breaking this downward sloping upper resistance line and actually short Bitcoin to the downside. But if this green candle here that we're having right now, this actual 4-hourly candle, is pushing here higher and is getting bigger, then you can also get into a new trade, let's say around the $50,370 level, and trade it up to the here to the top. Percentage wise, it would be just a scalp trade. It would not be that massive of a trade, but to the downside it looks much different. So if we are able to short this here to the downside, then we can have a quick look about how much we are talking. So if you catch it here and to the downside, okay, it's also more or less like a 2% trade, but with 20x it's at least 40%. So that is already nice. If you trade with a Bitcoin, you make 0.4 Bitcoin on this short. So that is absolutely acceptable in my opinion as a trade. So other than that, we still have to get through this huge resistance zone here. And Carl today from the moon was actually pointing something out that I also want to show you guys, because he was absolutely right. And you might remember this, that I also mentioned it many, many times before. So let me see if I can pull this here. No, I unfortunately can't. So guys, sorry, the internet here is not the best, so the VPVR is not loading. But if you look on the VPVR yourself, or you check it on Carl's video, then you will see that from, funny enough, here this level, $50,750, all the way up to, I think, if I remember correctly, all the way up to the golden ratio here is no resistance. There is a void in the VPVR, in the volume profile here, this whole block. And this would be a 6% move to the upside. So now you can go and calculate with 20% leverage, that's a 120% trade, which is easy money to trade here to the upside. So I will be watching with eagle eyes, like a hawk, the $50,700 level, because if we break above that, that is the next level where you can open a trade for the next pump here to the upside in Bitcoin. So now let's get here quick into Cardano. So Cardano broke here down from the $2.97 level here to the downside, and now is going here sideways and consolidating. I think Cardano is just gearing up for the next move here to the upside and was just cooling down a little bit, which is absolutely fine. So my trade is still running. I'm not concerned, and I think that Cardano will here come back up shortly to the upside. So, and if you look at this here, if Cardano does something like this, then we would complete here a W pattern, which means we have bottomed out locally, and that we then, when we break here the neckline, then actually go again to the upside. So that is also something that I'm here definitely watching over the next couple of hours when it comes to Cardano. Then, yeah, guys, don't forget, if you're an experienced trader and you want to take my trades and you want to help out the channel, then use the affiliation links in the pinned comment below from Bybit or from Phemex. You can get on both exchanges right now still a deposit bonus of $2,000. Here, you can see it. On Phemex, it's only for a couple hours and then it will be gone. So please take advantage of it. And on Bybit, the bonus is still running. So there you can still claim $3,650 that you here find in my pinned comment below with the link. So now let's get quick into Ethereum. So Ethereum is here nicely in our resistance zone here right now in the red block. So, and here also it looks like that we came here a little bit down to test the bottom again of it. And at the same time, we bounced off the EMA ribbon, which is a really good indication that we will continue the uptrend in Ethereum. And then got a small bounce and now going sideways. So we should not forget, it is the weekend. We have low volume on the weekend. So we are also then obviously usually a little bit more volatile or less volatile. It depends on the weekend, obviously. So, but we should never take the weekends too seriously because we have super low volume and the market can be pushed really, really easy in either direction. So, but for now it looks good because we stay in the middle of the red resistance zone. And here I also expect that we get here another leg to the upside and then potentially break through. Because here we tested already the top and got rejected to the downside, as we have seen. So, but the next time it could be that we actually get through and then directly test the top here of this resistance zone again, but then bounce and continue to trade here higher and break the all-time high. So that is something that I can imagine here happening in Ethereum over the next couple of days, especially as long as the EMA ribbon is keeping here the uptrend. Then let's get quick here into Solana. In Solana also the same thing. We came here really close to our initial target here after we had formed this bull pennant here and broke it to the upside. And now it looks like that we are consolidating here a little bit. We might get here down to one of the Fibonacci extension levels. Let me see quick which one we are talking about. The one. So that's the prior all-time high. So it's possible that we might come down to test this here once again and then get a bounce and then actually go here into higher levels in direction of the golden ratio. So my target has still not changed. This is still my target for it, and I stick to this. Let's go quickly back to Ethereum. I will actually open here a new trade. I don't know on which platform yet, but it might be potentially Bybit. So here, when we break $3,971 and close a 4-hourly candle above that level, that will be my new entry zone, where I will put in an Ethereum trade and trade this to the upside, at least to the last all-time high. And there I might actually take then some profits. So that is also another trade that you can take. So you got today approximately 2 trades for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, and there you go, guys, you are welcome. And now I want to show you something. First of all, let's get here quick into my trades. So here you can see my trades. They are still in a nice profit. My Bitcoin trade is $71,000, 82% in a profit, 1.4 Bitcoin. And my Cardano trade is 63% approximately in profit, $2,030, which is really, really nice. Also on Bybit, I am here, 30% in profit, $40,370. So you see my trades are still running. I did not close anything. I did not take any profit. I keep them running. So then I wanted to point out something that goes to you guys. Guys, you're amazing. You're the best crypto community ever out there. Thank you so much for 1,000 likes, for over 1,000 likes. I told you guys 3 days ago, let's try to get here over 1,000 likes, and you did it not only once, you did it now already 3 times. So the video from yesterday, I think before you see this one, has also over 1,000 likes. So thank you really much for that. Let's get this video also again over 1,000 likes, please. You're amazing, guys. So yeah, we can also see it here. See, right now it's 969 likes, but yeah, most likely when you see this video right now, we are over that already. Guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter, my crypto coach here, that is my handle on Twitter. Also on Instagram, if you want to see what I'm up to with DaVinciJ15 and also with Carl from the Moon here in London, give me a follow on Instagram. My handle is crypto_Alex. It might change in the future to AMCrypto. I'm working on this. And yeah, on Twitter, you know already. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, then please smash up the likes, destroy the YouTube algorithm, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow.